Hi, this is Henning from TwinCAT Product Management again. And in this video, I would like to show you how you could put actually the freshly created TwinCAT C++ module to run and investigate a bit about the behavior, about the online capabilities you have. First of all, after creating, we have a small look at the properties of the C++ module we have created. So there are different variations we could add. We could adopt all the C++ linker and C++ options. More important, it's a DC signing setup we need to take care about, because a C++ module which is about to be executed, it's executed in kernel mode, so you need to sign it before it gets loaded. So we are providing a TwinCAT signing, and now we are providing a certificate name and a password. If we don't have such a TwinCAT certificate and a password, you could simply generate that within TwinCAT, at least as a test certificates. With the software protection, we create a new OEM certificate. We say this is Henning's test certificate. And we say, well, I have a unique ID with backoff.com. And I say, okay, this is important. I would like to sign TwinCAT C++ executables with it. We say start. We save our certificate in the default place. We could already copy the file name if we would like to. I provide a very easy password here. Make sure if you're generating a real certificate, which gets countersigned by backoff, that you are choosing a more appropriate password here. And then we are about to put that certificate in here as well as a password in here. So this configures the TwinCAT project to actually use this certificate with this password to actually sign it. As long as the certificate is locally generated, you need the test mode switched on in Windows. It's comparable to the Windows test signing we've used in the sys-based drivers. If you do not want to have your password within the solution in the information system, is a hint how you could actually put that into the registry. This has advantage that the password is not stored together with your project in the Git repository if you are working with version control. Okay, so we are actually about to compile this project the first time. We see that it's get signed right now, and we are able to put that to run mode. No, it will fail because we need to first whitelist the certificate. And what I forgot is, yes, I need a license. And since this is a virtual machine here, I need to actually put that system in the task on a isolated core. And now we are able to activate the configuration. This still will fail because the runtime part of the system is actually not knowing about the provided certificate. So TwinCAT states that certificate is not in the trusted list, and we are able to actually use the generated rec file in this folder here to do the registration of TwinCAT. No, it is in the data back of engineering. We simply double click this, and then the key is added to the registry, and you need to have administrative privileges to do that. So this is inhibiting the execution of any code during that. So if we are now about to execute that, it will simply run. We see this here. Right now we are able to, what I introduced in the video before, whenever we are writing something to the input value 1, it will internally add it to the counter variable, and the counter variable then gets assigned to the output, and this is then yielding in the fact that we have an increasing value in the output. This was the first run step with TwinCAT C++. We have now 3 follow-on videos I would like to recommend. The first one is an introduction to the TeamC editor, which is basically interfacing the TCOM module. So if you would like to change the input or output data areas, or implement method which gets called by the PLC or other C++ modules. Then we have a small video about the debugging capabilities in the C++ code, so setting breakpoints and so on. And there will be another video about online change capabilities with TwinCAT C++. Thanks, bye.